There are a ton of hands-on exercises in this course, and it's so important. I just want to have its own video so it stands out on the page here. But hands-on exercises are really the key to learning and cementing that learning into somebody's head, right? Like, you got to apply it when you're learning. And so to that end, throughout this entire course, we've built an extensive library of hands-on exercises, and each hands-on exercise comes with a video solution. So you could solve it and then see how I solved it, or if you can't solve it, you could see what the solution is. And those hands-on exercises are super important, and they're going to reinforce everything you learn and really help you learn the material. So many online classes today, you watch them, and when you watch them, you could understand everything, and then you could get to the end of the course and know nothing, right? Like, I understood it all, but now I don't really know how to do it myself. This course is not like that. By the time you get to this course, you're going to understand the material as you go through it, and you're going to know the material when you get to the end of the course. You're going to know it because there are these hands-on exercises with video solutions showing you how to solve them so that you can actually apply what you're learning. So this can't be emphasized enough, because the vast majority of classes online today do not have hands-on exercises, and this one does. So that's great. So go ahead and click that buy button, enroll in this class. I know you're going to love the class. I know it's going to serve you well. I know it's going to be a benefit. And we stand behind it. We have a 100% satisfaction money back guarantee. So if you don't like the class, within the first 14 days, you get a no questions asked refund. And we offer financial aid, because we want everybody to learn and everybody to benefit. So if the price is too much for you, check out that financial aid information down below. Otherwise, click that buy button, and I look forward to seeing you in class.